Industries brand new coffee maker percolator drip. As you see, first you heat 2 glasses or bottles of water. Gotta have hot water. As you see, we're environmentally conscious. We are recycling our refillable bottles before we take them back. So we're doing 2 uses at once. So as your coffee is, or your hot water is being cooked, all you really need to complete this process is you have to actually go out and buy coffee. We can't help you there. Filter can be used by toilet paper, napkins, or any other halfway clean substance of that paper nature. If you want something with low absorbency, so that it doesn't absorb all your stuff. The perfume kind is okay, but you're going to add them unwanted flavoring. So be really sure that you like the perfume smell and you want to taste it. Carefully place filter over, use any size cup, plastic cup preferably, because that's environmentally conscious. Here we go again. It's recyclable. The making of the filtration system. First, you take plastic cup, again, environmentally conscious. Any poking device, we always found that, hey, screwdriver works fine. A Phillips would work better, but right now we have to use the standard flat kind. Place screwdriver in center of bottom of cup. Make sure you're all set. And you hit with substantial force, and we make a nice crack. Sometimes it might be necessary to heat plastic up first. Any lighter, just heat it up a little bit. Preferably not, I'll burn myself. A crack will do fine. We got plenty more. Place filter down in the bottom of the cup. Substantially coming up the side, so you don't want any unwanted stuff coming out there. As so, see, it is cool. After your filter is in place, carefully open bag of coffee. Oops, well, we gotta make sure we're not copyright infringement here. So it is backwards. You rip open bag using any utensil that's good enough to do that, creating a hole so that you can pour it. Oops, you gotta do it backwards because you don't want to do that. Pour significant amount of coffee for your own taste into cup. Not filling it too full or water will overflow. And as you see, we have sufficient amount with filter in bottom of cup. Now, as water is ready, then heated treatment, place 1 cup with coffee and filter into other cup. Carefully walk over to fire. Caution must be advised to not pick up glass with bare hands, because it may burn. Severe burnage. A towel, shirt, pants, or underwear may be used to carefully pour bottle of water, heated water, into center of cup. Caution not to rip filter. Elevation of inner filtration system will be needed at this time. Carefully, slowly pour in water, not to overflow. Heated, treated water. As we're pouring water, heated, treated water into cup, see the percolation sensation. Isn't that great? Pure, clean coffee, automatic drip. Now, as I announced before, this is so portable, biodegradable, recyclable, drip, environmentally conscious coffee maker. A normal coffee maker would cost you what? $79.89. And you need a plug-in. You'd have to have AC power. What would you think? Compact, portable, biodegradable, environmentally conscious coffee automatic drip filtration system like this would cost, some people would say, $159. We're going to give it to you at $89.99. And as you see, we have pure, nice, automatic drip percolated coffee using Canadian green bottled water.
Smell that rich aroma.
Ah, man, it smells good. And how does it taste? Now, what do you think something would be worth like this? I'm ready to advise you, my company, UGG Industries, which is a subsidiary of Pliehole, is offering the automatic drip filtration system and the receiver cup at a special low price of $39.95. Now, what a deal is that?
We want more! We want more! We want more! We want more!
Okay, how's this? We'll throw in the special green salesmanship type bottle to heat water in. And we'll give it to you at $34.95.
We want more! We want more!
We'll also throw in 1 jug of pure Canadian Springs water.
We want more! We want more! Don't get the seat.
Okay, we'll throw in Fire Steve. We'll throw in for $34.95. What a deal.
We want more! We want more!
And if you order right now immediately, we'll throw in this free 1,000-sheet roll of universal filtration system filters. Also good to wipe your butt with.
Order now. Operator is waiting to answer the phone. Call 1-800-CARPOS.
Heat it up, so to speak. So, provide your perfume with you.
This was a droop moment.
For the mail, so that, if you add it. Now, E-cup. Okay, what?
Go.
Go. Ed? 1. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. 1. Yeah. Yes. No.
Yeah, wait.